Free woodworking plans at myoutdoorplans.com.
Hello everyone, I'm Avidu from myoutdoorplans.com. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a project that's all about curb appeal, a sleek and modern mailbox post. Now, a mailbox might seem like a small detail, but it's actually one of the first things people see when they visit your home. A well-designed mailbox can make a big impact on your home's overall look and feel. So, if you're looking to give your front yard a fresh, contemporary vibe, this project is perfect for you. Plus, it's a great way to put your DIY skills to the test and create something that's not only functional but also eye-catching. Let's dive in and get started. This modern mailbox post features a stylish base planter box, perfect for adding some greenery and color to your curb appeal. We've also added sleek house numbers on both sides and topped it off with solar lamps, making it easy to spot day or night. For the sturdy foundation, we're setting our 4x4 posts into 24-inch deep concrete footings. This not only gives the mailbox post solid support but also ensures it stands tall and secure through all kinds of weather. We're using 1x6 board panels on both sides of the stand to give it a sleek and modern look. To finish it off, we've added 1x6 trims around the edges, covering any exposed ends and adding a clean, contemporary finish to the design. It's all about those little details that make a big difference. The planter box is a standout feature of this design, seamlessly attached to the base of the mailbox post. Built from the same 1x6 cedar boards, it not only adds a decorative touch but also provides a functional space for seasonal flowers or greenery. The box is securely fastened to the base, ensuring it can handle the weight of soil and plants while maintaining the structure's overall stability and aesthetic appeal. And that's a wrap on this modern mailbox post. If you're looking for step-by-step plans, be sure to check out myoutdoorplans.com. Until next time, build your outdoor world.
For more DIY videos, subscribe, comment, and click the like button. Don't forget to hit the bell.